everyone. Welcome. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and I'm making a new project, and I'm putting two things together. I'm using the papers from the pie safe to make some beautiful little square in squares. Then I'm going to, they come out to be 9 inch by 9 inch. The total size is 12.5 by 12.5, but I'm going to make them 9 by 9, and then enhance them with some black borders, which will then give us a 10.5 inch square. So I'm going to end up with a 10.5 inch square, just the center part. Yep, just the center part. And then, just the center part, and then we're going to make an addition and add some to it to make it a 10.5 inch square. Now, these were all a 1/2 inch too small. These are the panel that I got from Soft Squares. Aren't they something? So I added just enough black border to make them 10.5 inch squares. So we have 10.5, and we have 10.5. And this is the pattern we're going to use. The same one that I used with the owls. So since I have 6 cats, those are the black ones, and 2 pie safes are going to be the middle ones. And then I'm going to make all these, the other design with this color and this color. Let me hold these up for you. So the crackle finish one that goes with the cats. This one is a lovely purple with birds on it, which I thought would be great for cats. And I think we're going to use a little accent of a blue-black combo. Nice, huh? So that's how I'm going to make the 6 kitty cat panel pieces I have. Whereas in the panel book, most of the quilts require 8 panel pieces, or 12 or 9. And this is the first pattern I've found that just requires 6. That's why I'm using this one. And then I'm going to use these for the 2 center blocks instead of the white owls in the middle. So that's what I'm making with the kitty cats. And I got to show you these. They're just so beautiful. That is a beautiful kitty cat. Now, interesting, if you guys buy these from Soft Squares, keep in mind they're not all exactly 10 by 10 or 9 by 9 or anything. They have random sizes. The ones that are vertical all seem to be the same, but the ones that are oriented horizontally are short on the vertical by a 1/2 inch. Aren't they beautiful, though? I don't really know if I like cats, but these are gorgeous. And I have a family member who loves cats, so I think she might like it. Aren't they beautiful, though? Man, those colors are just dynamic. And then I got the coordinating fabrics from Soft Squares. And let's see, is there another fabric involved? No, those are the fabrics. So that's going to be my cat quilt is what I'm calling it. But the fabric itself is called, let's go to that. It's called Cat Artistry by Peggy Collins, and it's coordinated with Benartex. So Cat Artistry, man, that is beautiful. Beautiful. And I just love this purple. And I think it's on sale at Soft Squares, this purple fabric. Seems to me it was six or something a yard. Now the sparkly stuff, that was 12. That was an actual full price purchase, which I never do. So I'm going to put those all in the tray, and I want to show you another projects I'm getting ready to go on. And I'm just sort of eagerly getting these little video snippets out because I need to go to work here in a few minutes. But Let me line this up, put them in the box. The pie safe is all there together. By the way, have you seen my finished pie safe? It turned out real nice. I like it. And then my Midnight Owls is right on the wall behind us here. And I love that. I got to get that finished. One of the other things I did recently is I finished I actually sandwiched and quilted one of the dinosaur quilts, and the binding is on it, ready to be finished, ready to be hand-stitched. Although I'm thinking that if that's going to be going through the laundry as many times as I think a 2-year-old quilt would be going through the laundry, I may have to sew that binding on by the machine just so that it's really strong. Okay, so that's for that project. Now I want to show you something very interesting. So stay tuned to the next video. It's about the Murder Mystery Quilt Project. Woo! Okay, that's all for today. This is Cat Artistry, a smash up between the pattern from Midnight Owls and the pattern from Pie Safe using the foundation papers. We'll see how that goes. This is my second smash up. I have another smash up I did last year with a table runner called Table Runner from Lori Holt, and a pattern that I got from Soft Squares on one of their mystery boxes where you buy all 12 blocks at a time and it all comes together, and then you can do it at your own pace. So those are fun. Those are fun. Okay, so that's all for today, and let's get to the next video, and that's going to be about the murder mystery. Okay, bye.